This is Stephen. Stephen works at That's a Wrap in Gaithersburg, Maryland, an organization that started as just a small gathering for people with disabilities to come together to cook and eat lunch together. It eventually grew into an establishment focusing on providing a wide range of opportunities benefiting people with disabilities. Stephen in particular is an exceptional chef and enjoys creating wraps and salads. The difficult part of Stephen's job is remembering how to make each recipe and the ingredients each recipe needs. Stephen and a few other chefs at That's a Wrap have cognitive disabilities. Daily, they experience frustration and anxiety when preparing food. As ingredients are sometimes limited, Stephen is pressured to make complex decisions and get confused on what ingredients they should use. After careful analysis and evaluation of the current situation, we found that the solution was not only develop a method to simplify the task, but also to improve memory and productivity within the kitchen. By eliminating the need to trouble additional employees, Stephen is able to grow to be more self-dependent, creating a more enjoyable experience for all employees at That's a Wrap.
Once the app is opened, a home screen appears displaying an image of employees at That's a Wrap to make it more personalized. There's a tab on the bottom that leads to the list of recipe categories. At That's a Wrap, Stephen only makes salads and wraps along with his co-worker Brenton. If Stephen wanted to make his favorite Chipotle wrap, he would go to the wraps category and click on that recipe. It will open up to a list and a picture of all the recipe's ingredients and then proceed through every step of the recipe using camera detection. Stephen would hold up a spatula in order to progress through each step of the recipe. The camera detection makes it so the app is hands-free for both convenience and sanitary reasons, which is a necessity given the nature of Stephen's job. The camera detection mechanism simplifies the display of a recipe's steps by separating them and making them easily accessible. At the final screen, a finished picture of the recipe is shown along with written instructions to either repeat the recipe cycle by holding up the spatula or select a different recipe by clicking a back button on the screen. Between each different recipe, Stephen changes his gloves, at which time he would be able to touch the iPad screen to choose a new recipe while maintaining cleanliness.
September 2018. I like the experience. Caesar wraps. It will help me work faster. It's good.
Our primary focus during the testing process was to make sure we have an app that can maximize Stephen's independence and satisfaction while doing what he loves. So we decided to measure 4 criteria of effectiveness: the amount of time Stephen needed assistance, the time it took for him to make a recipe, the amount of mistakes he made, and his level of ease on a scale of 1 to 10. We tested each of these criteria while Stephen made his recipes, and we compared the results between before and after introducing our app to the deli's kitchen to get an idea of how useful our app is. After testing our app, we were pleased to see that Stephen required only half as much assistance to make his recipes than he used to, and we expect his independence to only increase from there as he continues to use RecipEasy. Stephen also reported that he felt a greater sense of ease and confidence. There was a slight overall increase in the amount of time that he took, but this can be attributed to his need to adjust to the app and to using the camera detection feature at first. RecipEasy has shown great potential for widespread use thanks to its ability to increase employees' independence and satisfaction while cooking. It's especially unique due to its camera detection mechanism, which addresses the need for hands-free use that won't interfere with employees' work in the kitchen. Overall, we are happy that Stephen is able to follow his recipes more easily and feel more comfortable doing what he loves. If later altered to be implemented on a broader level, RecipEasy will be able to provide cooks who have cognitive disabilities worldwide with an amazing opportunity to easily fulfill their dream, and to do so without dependence on their coworkers or job coaches. In the future, this app could be reprogrammed to allow for customization so that users could input their own recipes and choose their own most convenient object for camera detection. This could extend RecipEasy to be applicable to any person who enjoys cooking at home and could use a reliable, hands-free recipe guide.
I saw him basically doing everything by himself in terms of the ingredients and the steps on what to do. I was back there by watching him, and he didn't even look for me or look at Brenton for direction. So that's independence right there already. So.